Watch this.
Dudes these days just turn us off. Like, I don't understand. Me, I stay hard. Like, I get them killers on you in a second if you cross me.
I want to see my little boy.
Here he comes.
I want to see my little boy. I'll be okay if I get one. If I had one wish, we'd be best friends.
Hey, I want to be famous.
Hold on, something's coming out of here. Look, there's a bird, dude. It knows what's good. I'm telling you, I just heard it inside.
We all die. You either kill yourself or get killed.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
When the barber accidentally gives you a bowl cut, it's like, what are you gonna do?
What the fuck? Is this allowed? What the fuck? Is that allowed?
Hey, yo, cut the music, cut the music. Somebody left an ice cube on the ground and melted and now my sock is wet. Who the fuck wanna die?
You thought it was over. Ha.
Nigga, how did you get in my house?
Okay, class, let's take roll. Shithead?
It's Shafi!
Good evening.
Is your baby being a little shit? Shout at her. That will scare her.
Don't be naughty! Don't be naughty!
How's the fishing?
Help me bring it in.
I got scared. I dropped my hot pocket.
Hey, how you doing? Well, I'm doing just fine. I lied, I'm dying inside.
If you are here, speak to us.
Just a city boy, born and raised in South.
Nobody is on the same page. It's gonna be easy. It's supposed to
Dad, look, it's the good Kush.
This is the dollar store. How good can it be?
What happened while I was gone? Boy!
I'm alright.
Had 3 kids, right? How? I was gone for a day. She been fucking.
I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
Oh my god, kitty. Another one. Cat.
What's up, buddy?
What's up? Holy fuck. They're everywhere!
Who is that? Is he cool? Mark? He's cool. Who's your favorite superhero? Matilda? He's cool.
The prophecy is true.
Son. Yes, Papa? How old are you, boy? I am 3, Papa. Take this knife. Go hunt bear. Just one?
Hey, it's your boy, Skinny Penis.
Have you been drinking and driving? No, I'm just really drunk. What do we do? He said he's drunk, but he also said no. Is this a riddle? I don't know. Is this a riddle? I love riddles.
Hey, dude, you know what time it is? 10:30? Did you just guess? Oh shit, it is.
Let's go.
Get me a Bloody Mary. And make it snappy. Sir, this is Subway. Just make it happen.
Do you ever shut the fuck up? What did she do? Bitch gon' breathe. She stay doing some annoying shit. So one last time, I need to be the one who takes. Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god. Stop fucking lying.
Dude, check out this SpongeBob umbrella I just got. Dude, that's bad luck. Don't...
Chill out, bro.
Who's something to me?
I saw you hanging out with Caitlin yesterday.
Rebecca, it's not what you think.
I won't hesitate, bitch.
Detective, this is a crime scene.
What is this, a murder weapon? Get off my dick!
Look, it's a snake charmer. Hey, yo, Snake. You cute as hell. Stop.
Hacking photosynthesis.
I'm in.
Yeah, I'll just have Sprite. Fuck you.
Guess where I'm from. Guess where I'm from. Guess where I'm from. Not around here.
Hey, bro, what do you want to eat?
The souls of the innocent.
A bagel.
No.
2 bagels.